Hey there! Let's dive into how to seamlessly collect lead information with your chatbot. To start, select the bot you wish to use for lead collection. Navigate to the Edit Your Chat Flow section and choose the phone number element. Craft a welcoming message that politely asks for the user's phone number. Next, add the name element to the flow, including a friendly message to request the user's name. Do not forget to connect elements in Flow. Finally, integrate the email element, ensuring the message remains polite and non-insistent as you ask for the user's email address. Remember to connect all these elements in the flow to create a seamless experience. Once you've configured the lead collection, incorporate the ChatGPT element to handle all customer queries. Write an engaging message for the bot to initiate conversations with users and specify the number of messages you'd like the bot to exchange with each user. Ensure the email element is connected to the ChatGPT element within the flow. Finally, test your bot to make sure everything works perfectly. Enjoy the process of collecting valuable lead information effortlessly.